so like your character, people know who he is and they see him in one way, and then he turns up and he's lost a limb in the war, he's been changed, and he kind of has to deal with, how do people see me, and how do I become this person, you know, it's a new person. So I just wanted to ask how that resonated with you.
Well, I suppose the pressure that a lot of us put ourselves under as a result of our concern as to how we're perceived is huge. And particularly now with the advent of social media, you know, how one is perceived by the world around is a very kind of prominent experience of today, that today's youth find themselves in. And it's, you know, they're deep waters to be treading, and it's tricky. And so the character Holt that I play, he's juggling with just the individual struggle of trying to find out who he is, and how the loss of his arm and the loss of his wife while he was away, his children's mother while he was away, is affecting him. So he's got his own grief and his own kind of shame that he wasn't there to help his children through their grief and their loss. And he's also, you know, apologetic in everyone that he meets, because he sees the reactions off everyone. His kids see that he's missing his arm. Danny DeVito's character, Medici, his boss, the owner of the circus, kind of looks at his arm, and he's a changed man, and he's, you know, it's a very blunt kind of symbol, the fact that the arm and the missing arm represents a greater chasm or break that exists within him, you know. So it was very simple when I read it in the script. It was very clear to me that his journey was one of just an emotional reconciliation with himself through reconciling with his children, and obviously Dumbo plays a huge part in bringing him back together with his kids. You know, very much Dumbo and the two kids are the only three characters in the film that don't really change.
Yeah, that's actually true.
You know, it's
like,
everyone else's
they're
perception
themselves.
that needs to shift, you know.